So today I have this mini fridge and I'm going to show you how it works. So this is how it looks. All your plugs, a manual, and a little tray to separate it. The front of it has a mirror. You can make the refrigerator cool or warm just by clicking this button. You can see it's getting cool, and if you go down, it's making it warm. You could also put this in your car. You can see the little adapter, and you can plug it in back here so you can take it to go. It's portable. It can fit up to 6 cans. The fridge also has lighting in the front. You can see once I press it once, it's dim. Then it is to the second setting, and then it's the brightest that it can be. You can see it looks very nice. It's very clean. I think this is a really cool product.